Have you ever felt like you're constantly chasing your money around? You get paid into one account, but your bills come out of another. Maybe you have a separate savings account, but it takes forever to transfer funds back and forth. This financial juggling act can be a real drag. It's time-consuming, stressful, and can even lead to missed payments or overdrafts. But what if there was a way to simplify your finances? What if you could keep all your money in one central location, but still easily manage where it goes? That's where Rocket Money Transfer comes in. So, what exactly is Rocket Money Transfer? In a nutshell, it's a financial management tool designed to streamline your money movement. It acts as a central hub for all your bank accounts, giving you a complete overview of your finances. Think of it like a financial command center. You can see your balances, track your spending, and most importantly, transfer money between accounts seamlessly. But how does it work? Here's the breakdown. Connect your accounts. The first step is to securely connect your checking, savings, and any other bank accounts you use. Rocket Money Transfer uses secure encryption to ensure your information stays safe. See everything in one place. Once connected, you'll have a consolidated view of all your accounts. No more logging into multiple apps or websites to check your balances. Effortless transfers. Need to move money from your checking to cover a bill in your savings? No problem. With Rocket Money Transfer, you can initiate transfers between connected accounts with just a few clicks. Schedule transfers. Optional planning ahead is key. Rocket Money Transfer allows you to schedule recurring transfers, ensuring your bills are always paid on time. This can be a lifesaver if you tend to forget to manually move money around. Track your spending. This is where Rocket Money Transfer goes beyond simple transfers. The platform provides categorized spending breakdowns, helping you understand where your money goes each month. But wait, there's more. Here are some additional features that make Rocket Money Transfer stand out. Bill pay, optional for an extra fee. You can even pay your bills directly through Rocket Money Transfer. This eliminates the need to track down different bill websites or write physical checks. Overdraft protection, optional. This feature can be a safety net, automatically transferring funds from a designated account to cover potential overdrafts in your checking account. Mobile app, take control of your finances on the go. The Rocket Money Transfer mobile app allows you to manage your accounts, make transfers, and track your spending from your smartphone. Is Rocket Money Transfer right for you? If you're looking for a way to simplify your finances and gain better control over your money, then Rocket Money Transfer could be a valuable tool. Here are some signs it might be a good fit. You juggle multiple bank accounts. You frequently transfer money between accounts. You struggle to keep track of your spending. You want a convenient way to pay bills. However, it's important to consider any potential downsides. Fees. While the basic transfer functionality might be free, some features like bill pay or overdraft protection might come with additional fees. Security concerns. While security is a priority for Rocket Money Transfer, it's always wise to be cautious when connecting any financial accounts to third-party platforms. Make sure you choose a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Rocket Money Transfer is up to you. Do some research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it aligns with your financial needs. There are plenty of financial management tools available, so don't hesitate to shop around and find the one that best suits you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.